Rewindpix is the latest screen-free camera. Think of the old disposable cameras, but digital. It even has a film winder to give you that classic camera feel. Rewindpix gifted me this camera to beta test and help promote their Kickstarter before it went live. But I will be giving my honest thoughts on the camera. What has me interested in cameras like this is having a camera that is just a camera. My iPhone, usually with the VSCO Capture app, is great, but there can be so many distractions that come with shooting with a phone. Text messages, social media, and more. A screen-free camera like Rewindpix encourages you to slow down, plan your shots, and be intentional. So let's talk about some of the features that this camera has. Rewindpix has a large viewfinder that I found to be pretty accurate in my photo walks. It has a xenon flash, but like the Camp Snap Pro, it is overpowered. I may put a vinyl cover over it. There's minimal shutter lag, and you have a fixed lens that is a 35mm equivalent. It's a 13 megapixel with a Sony sensor. So how's it to use? Honestly, it's just a fun camera, and I use it as my everyday carry. It's not a film camera, but it leaves me with a feeling of shooting with film that I had as a kid. That sense of mystery and anticipation of not knowing exactly what your pictures are going to look like. That brings me to my next few points. The camera comes with 3 pre-installed filters that can be changed with a slider: sunny, breezy cool, and mono. What sets the camera apart from me and what elevates it is the Rewindpix app. You can pick from 36 film stock simulations and load them into 3 film slots on the camera. Said another way, you have 3 in-camera pre-installed filters and 3 film mode filters. You switch modes by hitting the M button on the back of the camera. These film settings can be customized and loaded onto the camera by connecting your phone to the Wi-Fi that is in the camera. The app is still in beta, so I experienced crashes for a while when exporting a roll of pictures from the camera to the app's digital darkroom. Thankfully, the latest version is running smoothly. Each time you load film, you have 36 shots on the roll before you have to dump them and load another roll. It's a fun process for in-camera photos. You can also connect via USB-C and dump them onto your computer. Another feature I love is the filter thread that comes with the camera on the lens. I bought a black mist filter and some others, since Rewindpix's own thread filters aren't available yet. As of this video, the Kickstarter has 1,255 backers, and they've raised, I believe, over $200,000. Cameras are expected to ship June 2026. So, should you get one? Keep in mind, there are some kinks to work out, and it's a solid toy camera. The app, filters, and customization options really open things up on a creative level. I look forward to additional accessories and updates to the app. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a fun camera just to play around with and point and shoot. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. The link to support the Kickstarter will be in the description. I'll see you on the next one.